can get hitched to a good boy, and that degree is lying there. They're not even allowed to work. It becomes a family decision, which is, I respect that, but that dependence towards a family makes them weak, not strong. Dependence can be emotional and it should make you stronger. Somewhere the show makes a lot of people have a wake-up call that you can be anyone, you can be badly stuck in a situation, but you should be independent financially, and somewhere your family should give you that strength to stand up on your own feet, because tomorrow your own family can be running through a bad time and you can chip in, you know. So it is about economic independence. It's about being the daughter, not a daughter-in-law. When something goes wrong, you have married into that family, so automatically if something goes wrong with your husband, you take on the responsibilities of family like you would do for your own family. So Shobha does that, and it's also about, at some point it's an anti-betrayal, it's not anti-marriage. It's about if one person betrays the other, why should the other one cover up? Is marriage a pretense just because society expects you to?
Shobha, Sonali?
There's a lot of question in the show, and I think I haven't decided it's a finite series, the end of the show, so I'm hoping the viewer helps me get my answers.
Wow, I hadn't seen even a bit of the show till now. So this is the first time I saw it. Really nervous. But I have to say one thing. The thing that resonated with me always was, my mother's been a housewife. We are 3 sisters. The first thing that my mother always said, and which I remember very well, when my elder sister was getting married, she was really young, the rishtas were coming, the family was, you know, the usual thing. And my mother always said one thing, that till my daughters don't work, I will not get them married. And she told us that it's your choice. Once you get married, you don't want to work, it's as a couple you decided, great for you. That's your call, I'll never interfere with it. But till you leave my house from here, I want a working girl to get married. And you know, we used to be like, okay, she's really passionate about it and everything. As we started working, as we are married women today, and as we grow up, you realize the importance of that. It's just the way you think as a woman, the kind of confidence you get to face situations when you know that you can. It's not about how much you earn, or it's not about how fancy the job is. It's just about getting the confidence that, yes, I am somebody and I can do something. Just that confidence can be the difference of heaven and earth in a relationship.
Do the men on the table have a view on this? And you can talk as Harsh and Apurva.
See, my take is very simple. I just love the institution of marriage. I've been married for it's been almost 10 years now. My wife is my best pal. Just love spending time with each other. You know, before I got married, I used to read about this theory about soulmates. And the theory said कि आपको जब अपना soulmate मिलता है, तो आपको उसकी सिर्फ आँखों में देखने की ज़रूरत होती है, and you know the person is your soulmate. And that actually happened with me, you know. So for me, marriage is for keeps, forever and ever.